Who's not fond of brain teasers and tricky riddles? If you think you're already a master when it comes to solving challenging riddles, play with them and find out. Number 1. A woman shoots her spouse and then holds him for 5 minutes underwater. She hangs him next. They enjoy a nice dinner straight afterwards. Please clarify. This riddle is meant to put you off balance, but watch out for the word shoots. What else would you shoot with but a weapon? The key to the whole thing lies inside. Here's the answer. She took her spouse's photo and created it in her dark room. Number 2. You weigh my life in hours, and by the expiration, I serve you. When I'm fat, I'm fast, and when I'm slim, I'm slow. My enemy is the wind. What am I then? Difficult riddles will move you up, and this one works by striking you from every angle with detail. The big hint with the wind comes to a close. What is wind most threatening? You have to stretch your brain to a tiny and unforeseen thing that comes up. The answer is candle. Number 3. I do have cities, but no homes. I have mountains, but there are no trees here. I have water, but I don't have fish. What am I then? The answer is a map. Number 4. Which word in the English language does the following? The first 2 letters mean a male, the first 3 letters mean a female, and the first 4 letters mean a great. While the whole world means a great woman, what is that word? It's difficult because it makes you think in terms of gender and the different ways they are. You've got to think of one phrase containing the others. It is easy when you think about it. The answer is heroine. Number 5. What English word has 3 double letters in succession? This one is pretty difficult to get on track, but use the information you know about English. Firstly, think of double vowel words. And you must be mindful that this will probably be a compound word. One set of double letters will form the first and last letters of those combined words. Just smash your brain now. The answer is bookkeeper. And it's a wrap for today. To watch more of our exciting brain twisters, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!